Hi guys, so I am on my way to Kingofprussiamall because I am on my way to pick up a baggie that is on my wish list. You guys know I've been talking your ears off about this for quite some time, but the time has finally arrived that one of my dream unicorn bags. I don't know about you guys, but before I go buy big bags like this and make purchases like this, I always have to go through my banks to get all my funds in order, because you guys know like all the blocks that I go through. PayPal is withholding all my money right now, and I've been on hold waiting for a supervisor for the past 20 minutes to get on the line to release all my funds, so none of this has to go on a credit card. And it's just so frustrating because I pay cash for my stuff because I save. But anyway, right now this is the dilemma. We're driving to Kingofprussiamall to pick up this angel bag, and I can't wait for this experience. Freshening up before we go in the mall. Ladies, let's go buy ourselves a bag.